Look at a sector area. Sector area uses the formula for area, which is here. Area is pi r squared. And when you're doing the sector area, you use this formula right here will get you the percentage of the sector, so how big the slice is, and then you apply the same area formula as before. So let's just start off with examples here. Let's start with number 4. So with number 4, we're just going to be using the blue formula that we have up there. So it's area equals pi r squared. If that's 20, then that makes each of these 10. So your radius is 10. So area equals pi times 10 squared. If you're doing it the exact way, your area is 100 pi, which is approximately, if you're doing it the decimal way, that's what going to be 314 point something. So 100 times pi, 314.16. So that's your exact answer. That's your approximate answer. If you're going backwards, so if you're finding, let's say, number 9 here. So it's the same formula, A equals pi r squared. And this time you have the area is 12.6 equals pi r squared. So here's your formula. That's a pi. First thing we'll do is divide by pi. So divide this by pi, divide this by pi. 12.6 divided by pi. 4.01. So 4.01 equals r squared. You take the square root. The square root of r squared is r, and then the square root of 4.01 is going to come out to be 2, basically. So that's your radius, but it wants your diameter. So your diameter, d equals 4 for this one. Okay, so area of sector. It's just going to be this formula up here. This is red and blue one. So I'm pretty sure they're all going to be the same. Yeah, I think so. Let's just hit number 18 then. So the area of the sector. So it's going to be, what do you call this? DFE? Anyway, it's going to be 75 divided by 360. So it's 75 degrees out of the whole pizza, which is 360 degrees. Pi, your radius is 4 squared. So if I was to simplify this, at this point you can just plug the whole thing in your calculator and give you an answer. But let's do this. So you got 5 over 24, just so you have all your steps here. 4 squared is 16 times pi. 16 times 5 is 80. So it's going to be 80 over 24. Let me make sure I did that right. 16 times 5. Yeah, it's 80 divided by 24. This is going to reduce to 10 over 3. Or 3.3. 3.3 continuous. So, yeah, there's your solutions. This is sector area.